Ang solid ng message sa coloring book na to na tumapat sa birthday ko. And I feel like this is God's way of telling me na okay lang yan, nak. Huwag ka masyadong hard sa sarili mo. Backstory, I've been in my lowest for the past 7 months already. Since I made a mistake na kung tutuusin maliit lang pero grabe yung impact. Imagine, 7 months. And I was so hard on myself for the longest time because of that. There is always a battle within myself wherein I would defend myself to myself, if that's making sense. And of course, there will also be days that I would blame myself for not knowing better. But because of this message, I am realizing now that clearly the reason as to why I made that mistake is because I want to grow. And mistakes are usually part of our growth process. And I am sure that one day, when I look back, there would be something that will make me realize na, oh, that's why it has to happen. And definitely, I'm gonna feel so light and grateful. But probably may inis ako sa sarili ko. Kasi sana pala hindi ko sinayang yung mga oras ko kaka-worry at kaka-overthink sa mga bagay na hindi ko naman kontrolado. Everything will work out naman pala in the end. I just need to trust the process and the Lord's timing. Ngayon ko nare-realize kung bakit ganoon ka-strict yung parents ko. Na parang hanggat maaari gusto nilang i-cage lang kami ng mga ate ko. Kasi ganito pala yung reality ng mundo. Once na nakalabas ka na, parang kaliwat kanan yung sumasampal sa'yo. They were just trying to protect us from this pala. As a parent kasi siguro mahirap naman din talaga pakawalan ng mga anak. Kasi parang kapag nasaktan yung anak mo, doble yung sakit sa'yo. Ito pala yun. Ito pala yung reality ng mundo. Dati kapag nag-uusap kami ng ate ko, we were grateful and at the same time nagtataka kami kasi hindi kami nakakaranas ng so much hardship. Kung magkakaroon kami ng mga problema, parang ang bababaw lang. Kasi pala as much as possible, yung parents namin, they are trying to protect us and shield us mula dun sa mga bato na posibleng ibato sa amin ng buhay. Ngayong nasa Canada na ako at malayo sa kanila, ngayon ko na nararanasan yung totoong buhay. Ganito pala, masakit pala, na kapag nagkamali ka, kailangan mong i-face yung consequences. Or siguro na-late lang din talaga ako. Kasi nga, for the longest time, I was under my parents' care. Kaya ngayon, sobrang overwhelming sa akin ang lahat. Nahihirapan akong i-navigate yung life. Nahihirapan akong makipagsabayan. Pero alam ko na yun yung kailangan. So ngayon, I'm gonna try to be a little kinder to myself and be considerate. Kaya importante sa akin na itong message na to ang kinukulayan ko ngayon. Sobrang sakto sa pinagdadaanan ko. Ito siguro yung message sa akin ng universe na itinaon nila sa birthday ko para mas may impact. I know na eventually I will find my way out of this rabbit hole. Alam ng Lord na hindi pa ako ganun ka-strong. Kaya I needed this experience and pain so I can bounce back stronger. And finally, kaya ko na rin makipagsabayan sa mundo. And someday soon, matatawag ko na rin strong, independent woman ang sarili ko. That's the importance of mistake. You get to grow.